Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make panko crusted baked fish. It is so good, so easy to make with just a few simple ingredients that you probably have around your house. So if you want to see how, just stay tuned.
So today I'm going to be using the swai fish. This fish is so tender and delicious. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of this Old Bay Seasoning. Can't go wrong with it. Makes every seafood taste so delicious. Then I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then 3 teaspoons of complete seasoning. This seasoning makes everything taste so great. Now for my absolutely favorite ingredients is Jamaican curry. Oh, this makes everything taste delicious. Some pepper and some diced onions. Now squeeze half of a lemon, the whole half. This is so great. Citrus and fish is awesome together. And we're just going to mix it all together until everything is well combined. Then add 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil or any oil if you're choosing. And again, mix everything all together until well combined. Now just add your fish to a glass baking dish. And we are going to make sure they are all spread apart and have enough space. Then we're going to add half of the leftover juice water from the fish and the seasoning. We're going to plop this in the oven until it's halfway cooked. Then we're going to add some breadcrumbs on top. This is so good, you guys. It just adds some nice texture to the fish. And yeah. So we're going to plop this back in the oven after we put a little gravy on there. And then some parsley for just some color. And yeah.
Okay, so now for my favorite part, you guys, which is the taste test. This looks so great, you guys, and it's healthy.
Serving this with a cup of brown rice, some honey glazed carrots, and some broccoli on the side, and some beans. Yum.
That is so good. So if you like healthy and delicious baked fish with some crisp on it, and this is the recipe for you, you guys. So if you want more recipes like this, I make new recipes every single week, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.